Hi, my name is Gayatri Govardhan Nikam and I am third year CSE student from Suman Ramesh Tulsani Technical Campus of Engineering affiliated to Savitribai Phule. I will gonna tell about my internship. This internship is based on IoT home automation using Blink IoT Cloud. The main aim of this project is to take the students grief exposed to what IoT is and the various application of IoT. Now I will gonna tell about timeline internship. Introduce the C at the first day, and then the topics in the introduction was the data types, number system, data representation, modifiers, slide content, introduction of C, developed by Dennis, and general purpose procedural programming language, foundation of C++, Java, Python, etc. Data types in that primary int, float, char, double, void, derived array, pointer, structure, union, user defined enum, and type def. In the number system, binary base, octal base, decimal base, example, decimal 10 binary 1010. The data representation bits and bytes 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. Then modifiers. Timeline of internship day 2. In that we thought about control statements. In the topic was sign modifier, if else, switch case, loops, sign modifier, sign unassigned variables, decision making, if else, else if, nested if, switch, and syntax, flow diagrams, looping the structures for while, do while, infinite loops, loops control variable, example, factorial using for loop, time timeline of internship. In that third day, operators, arrays, jump statements, topic, jumping statement arrays, operators, jumping statements, break, continue, go to, and return. Operators in that arithmetic, logical, relational, assignment, tertiary, bitwise, overflow, underflow concepts, arrays, one dimensional arrays and two dimensional arrays. Example, sum of arrays element. Timeline of internship. In that, on the fourth day we have taught about functions and pointers, definitions of function, declaration and calling, pointers. In that, definition of variable, strong addressing, another variable, syntax, integer, pointer. After that, timeline of internship. On fifth day we have taught about advanced pointers. On sixth day we have taught about pointer types and memory segments. In that, pointer types, null pointer, void pointer, constant pointer. Timeline of internship day 7 we have taught about storage classes and preprocessor directivities. Storage classes, in that auto register, static, external preprocessor directivities. It includes defines hash, find def, hash if def. And the timeline of internship day 8 we have learned about introduction to C++, pop versus op, C versus C++ comparison, class and object, access specifiers, constructors. Timeline of internship we have learned on the day 9 was advanced op concept, destructor, pillar of ops, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance means what, code reuse mechanisms, polymorphism, many forms. And after that, project part, we have used in our project is was Arduino IoT recordings. Day 1 we have done project requirements, day 2 introduction to the IoT, Day 3, Introduction to Embedded System, and Day 4, about LED interface. So here basically our timeline for the project part was, on 5th day we have done CLCD interface, and on 6th day we have learned about temperature and sensor. 7th day we have learned about analogs and the PWM. So here after that, on 29th September and 20 and till the 6th October, the serial tank we have learned. On October 7, Blink app integration. In that, install of Blink app, create the project, then get the tokens, code integration, and Arduino ID, controlling the device, Viva Mobile. What overall we have learned was C programming, introduction to object oriented C++ programming, introduction to IoT and embedded system, Arduino ID, and PIC SIM lab stimulator. After that, topic covered in C++ was the fundamental use of C and its application, number system, data types, conditional statement, operator, array, pointers, functions, storage class, various macros. Internet of things is a network of physical object things embedded with the sensors and the software and other technology that connect the exchange of data and with other device. The system overall over the internet. Application of IoT, the smart home automation. In that we have did the light, fans, AC control viva by phones, smart agriculture monitoring soil moistures and automating the irrigations, healthcare, patients with monitoring the system, industrial IoT and smart cities. Embedded system means what? Embedded system, in that we have learned that embedded system is a microcontroller or microprocessor based on the system designed to perform a specific dedicated task. Example is what? Washing machine, ATM, smartwatch, airbag system, etc. So here basically I have shared Arduino ID, the Arduino integrated development environment. Arduino is ID contains a next editor for writing a code, message area, text console, toolbar with buttons, common functions, and series of menus. Here is a PIC SIM lab, and topics cover related to IoT is IoT architecture, application, embedded system, etc. And now here at last I have shown the IoT based home application, Blink IoT mobile app, and project demo. Overall feedback and conclusion was very good. Like this project has really enhanced my skills, and the C and C++ and Arduino internship program was enriching learning experience that provided both theoretical understanding and hand-on experience exposed to fundamental programming in embedded system concept. Overall, I would like to thank for teaching and giving this best experience. Thank you.